Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the King Kuda. This is in a beautiful red. So previous one was with white color, which I didn't like. So this one I went ahead and bought it. So let me show you one more thing once we unbox this. So why I bought this specific car. So one of my friend actually and informed in our group that this is an actual car. I originally thought that this is just the Hot Wheels version. I mean their fantasy cars. But I don't know about the previous iteration of this car, the white one, whether it had the same chassis. But let's see this one. Let me show you why. Excuse. As you can see here, this is a Plymouth Barracuda. So this is why exactly I bought this one. I personally love Plymouths. It's a old classic, and so I love it so much. So overall, this casting, this looks so beautiful, specifically with that red and gold trim here. The engine is, in golden color, and it doesn't have any headlight details, but it is embossed, which is really nice. So the paint job looks really nice. I don't see much of a paint job issue here. The entire interior is, golded out, I can say. Says Ace of Hearten. And so there are no taillight details as well, but it does look really beautiful. So as a collector's perspective, you can buy this. It looks really beautiful, and nothing much to say there. It just looks really beautiful. It has this exhaust details here, which is really nice. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it does roll really nice. It does have some wheel wobble to it. Specifically in the rear wheel, you can see it wobbles a lot. But still, it is better than some other castings which we unboxed in past week. So overall, if you ask me if this casting is worth buying, I would say yes. So first thing, it is based out of Plymouth Barracuda, so which is a win-win for me. And the entire paint job looks so beautiful and so awesome. And honestly, if you want to give this to your girlfriend or someone, this would be the right casting, if you ask me. Because see, here is the Queen of Hearts, and here you can see the King of Hearts, and it mentions Jack of Hearts also here. Let me see where the king is then. Yeah, here is the king. So it has king on one side, queen on the other side, and Jack of Hearts on the back, rear. This is really beautiful. It's nice. The detailing is really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.